Hello everyone, Danesh here from Acalance. I'm getting a lot of frequently asked question that they are asking what is SuiteCRM, what is the benefit of SuiteCRM, and can you please explain me the flow of SuiteCRM. So what I'm going to do is in this video we go through some of the highlight first and then we actually do live demo on SuiteCRM. In this video we will only focus on sales automation benefit, whereas SuiteCRM also has strong features for customer support and marketing team. We're coming to CRM. CRM is nothing but client relationship management. Also, we can call as customer relationship management. In the name itself, we have got some idea, right? Which is nothing but we are storing all the customer details and we are playing with the customer details. By tracking the report, we are storing the product, how many product the customer brought, whether the deal is closed or not, each and everything we can track in this CRM. So why I say that SuiteCRM is the best? None of the company which provide the features like SuiteCRM, such as ownership, freedom, choice. You own the data, you own the application, you choose where to host it. You are free to migrate at any time. There is no lock-in. It's all yours, your data, your application, your freedom, your choice. And the SuiteCRM goal is to make CRM easy to use and empower user to their job faster. Easily find the information that user need and more info on a single screen. Let's start the demo and explore the capabilities of SuiteCRM for sales. On my screen, this is the login page. SuiteCRM is a web-based application. It can be accessed from anywhere through the assigned URL, username and password. For the demo purpose, I am logging in with the manager role, where SuiteCRM has robust user role access management. So each user can see their own record or data. When user logged in, they will land on this home page, which displays the information on a high level. Like you can see the reports, you can see the my activity stream, all opportunity by lead source, by the graph, outcomes by month, my accounts detail, my lead, call, meeting, and all the stuff in the home page. These are called dashlets. These dashlets can be fully customized, like I can remove the dashlet or this module which doesn't make sense, or I can configure this dashlet with this edit button. Here is the button to add a new dashlet. You can choose any module like opportunity, my contact, or I can go to chart to pull out some report to my home page. And here are some interesting tools. Every user can customize their own page or dashboard like we now on the SuiteCRM. And here we can add new dashboard or tab and further add own set of dashlets into it. This is the high-level overview on SuiteCRM homepage, and now to initiate our sales journey, let's start with leads module because that's the first entry point for any prospect or customer. Under the sales tab, we have the lead module, by clicking which we will be taken to this lead list view. Here I can perform basic search or more advanced search to pull any specific lead. So I pulled out all the leads with the status new so we can further progress work on them. Clicking on the lead name will take us to the detail lead page where I can find more information. As a sales guy, the first thing I'm due on new leads is to follow up. So here in the activity session, I can set up a follow-up call or introducing meeting, or I might send an email directly. While scheduling a follow-up call or meeting user can set. Define the status and set up reminder for themselves like I tend to forget things very often. So this reminder feature will send reminder mail, give a pop-up on my screen or even SMS alert prior to due time. Once the follow-up or plan activities is set, it will show up on the user homepage too. Back to the lead detail page, let's assume I finished the introduction call and here I can update additional details and change the status from new to in progress, description or any other information. After the initial discussion with the lead, when sales guide has qualified it with all the due diligence, he can convert as potential opportunity. In the convert page, it will autocopy all the relevant information to different modules, like the system will create an account with company related data. It will create a contact plus it will also create an opportunity. With this conversation, we have completed the lead lifecycle. Let's go to the account session to see how we browse through a customer or a prospect with a 360-degree view. Let's open a existing account, some company. Okay, so here is the detail page view. We get our information related to this company as to what in the size, revenue, address and all other details. Remember, all this information here can be customized. So reach Acalance to help you in customizing your CRM. Coming down in the same company page, we get the related module for this account. First, in the activity session, where we can see all the planned call and meeting, and in the history panel we get to see all the past or held activities such as call, meeting, emails and note. Coming down on the same page in the opportunity panel, where we can see all the opportunities related to this account, we can see which opportunity is in what stage and who is the sales guy, what is the opportunity amount, expected close date. Going into the detail view and existing opportunity, we can track or update the opportunities such as changing the stage, define next step, update amount or any other data related to this sale. Let's come back to the account detail view. Further below opportunity panel, we have other related module which I want to go to in detail, but this video demo is limited to sales automation use case. This overall covers the sales functionality on highlight level, whereas SuiteCRM is very robust and offers rich functionality for support or service team with case management, campaign and reporting. Very inspiring features of SuiteCRM is its ability to create own workflow, which helps to define business process and automates alert and action upon trigger on an event. In the future video, we shall cover the workflow in details. SuiteCRM has inbuilt reporting engine that allows user to create their own reports through drag and drop UI. Acalance helping business worldwide. We have implemented SuiteCRM for different verticals such as manufacturing, real estate, BFSI and others, so please feel free to reach us to contact with the subject matter expert and get assistance in your CRM implementation. We thank you for the patience and hope you enjoyed this video on SuiteCRM demo related to sales automation from Acalance. And not only that, we will provide you the free consultant based on your business. You just feel free to contact me at any time and we are ready to provide you the free consultant as well as the free solution. Thank you.